Hi everyone, Jenny Dell here for Special Olympics Massachusetts. This message is for all you thrill seekers looking for something crazy fun to check off your bucket list this summer. Join me this July at the Hyatt Regency in Boston and go over the edge for Special Olympics Massachusetts. Over the Edge is a truly unique fundraising event that supports one of my favorite causes. Special Olympics provides athletes of all ages year-round opportunities to win on and off the field. Over the Edge gives participants a thrilling opportunity of rappelling over 200 feet down the Hyatt Regency in downtown Boston. Take it from me, this is unlike any other experience you'll have this year, and it's an amazing view of the city. So come on out this July in support of Special Olympics Massachusetts and get ready for a once-in-a-lifetime experience from the roof of the Hyatt Regency in downtown Boston. Find out more about Over the Edge and register today at overtheedgeboston.com. That's overtheedgeboston.com.